Hi, there's some goofy, immature clowns online, or just young kids, claiming that plants feel pain. Well, I have news for you. If plants feel pain, you should know this. You eat more plants. Meat takes lots of plants. It takes about 15 to 16 pounds of our crops fed to force-bred animals for just 1 pound of meat in return. So we're feeding them most of our crops, which also is a major contributor to food waste and world hunger as a result. So the animals are force-bred, and then we feed them most of our crops, and most is crapped out and burnt off just living in these sick factory farms. So what's your next excuse, hypocrites? Plants feel pain. You compare a plant to a mammal? So I would save a plant over your life because you're flaming hypocrites because you consume more plants than me. Vegans save plants.